Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to draw this type of gear in Solidworks. So let's get started. At first select circle command. Now select top plane. Draw 3 circles here. Now select smart dimension. Give dimension 200, 18 and 40. Now select exist sketch. Go features and select extrude boss command. Select this portion, distance 40. Again go here, go sketch, extrude boss command. Select this portion, distance 50. Okay. Now select extrude cut command. Select this portion. Draw a rectangle here. Select smart dimension 10 and this one 5. Now okay. Select, go here, select through all. Now normal to select center line. Now select line, select arc, select center, this point. Okay. Now select line. Now select smart dimension, give dimension center to this center 94 and radius 5. Now length, this line length 12. It's also 12. From here to here 20 and this line to this line 10. Now go features, select extrude cut through all. Okay. Sketch. Now normal to zoom fit. Now select circular pattern. Now select this path, give here degree 12. Okay. Now press OK. Now our drawing is ready. So thanks for watching this video.